Why Faisal?
I cannot job. My money is running low.
Wow, what a convinced Titan just told me. There is job opening is home service.
Titan, will those girls now?
Currently working at his father's.
Do you have his contact information?
Yes, I will give you from you can fill it out right away.
Alright, I will send the profile to you.
Hello Faisal, are you looking for a job?
Yes, Titan, I have seen all the citizen requirements. So what should I do next?
Well, I will send it to the HR team to the process. Just wait for the next few days.
Alright, thanks for your help.
Also prepare your healthy and your documents such as CV and another to bring to the company letters when you are told.
Thank you, Titan.
You're welcome. Cheer up. I will be excused. Bye.